Welcome back. Bitcoin rallying this week, as you probably know, on pace for one of its best weeks of this young year. Bryn Talkington, you own the Grayscale Ethereum ETF and shares of the IBIT, correct?
Yep. I own this long term. I think that you could see, after gold's parabolic move, that we've seen more of a trader speculator taking some chips off the table and moving into IBIT or Bitcoin. I mean, Bitcoin's flat for the year. I do think the big change over the next few years is between Paul Atkins at the SEC, David Sachs, the Sovereign Wealth Fund. I think from a regulatory framework, it's going to be a 180. And so I think we're going to get some smart regulatory framework around digital assets in general, which should be a positive catalyst over the next few years for the asset class.
You starting Josh Coin anytime soon? I mean, it's working for some.
No, there won't be any vanity coin for me. I think what the most interesting thing about Bitcoin is that if your pitch to your clients for why you were including it in an asset allocation, which is something that we did right at the last top in 2021, but that's fine. If your pitch was this is non-correlated, so this asset will zig while your other assets zag, and when you do your rebalancing, you'll buy it low, and then all right, fine. That didn't work while it was trading with the NASDAQ, both up and down. The most interesting thing that's happened over the last week or two is that it's decoupled from the NASDAQ, although not today, and it started to trade with gold. And I think, so if you said, yes, we should have a 1% Bitcoin sleeve because it's not stocks, but it has the potential for returns, that's actually what you really want to see. You want to see it go up while your other holdings go down, and then you could say, look, I have a non-correlated asset. So that's something new, and we'll keep following it, and we'll keep watching that.
Speaking of, Bitcoin and crypto, Robinhood, there was a call on that, Bryn, today. The stock you own reiterated outperform at Mizuho. They raised their estimates. What do you think of it here?
This platform just continues to execute. Their earnings come out next week. They're going to look for 48% revenue growth, 52% earnings growth. It continues to be one of the top apps on Apple, on the Apple App Store. I just think Vlad and team, they've grown up. The stock's done very well last year. It's done very well this year. And so this, to the beginning of the show where Josh is talking about stocks that are working, this stock is working. I think if you want to trade it, 36 to 50 has been the trading range so far this year. We'll see if it can get above that during earnings. But I think this is a great name to own. You can sell calls. It has great call premium as well.
Bryn's right on Robinhood. This is on the best stocks in the market list, and notably, it did not fall off during the month of April, where so many high growth names broke down. It never closed below its 200-day. It's been one of the strongest names, and that's that philosophy, because look, the market is now recovering, and this is leading the charge. You didn't have to go buy the hardest hit stock to get the benefit of this comeback. Robinhood has been strong. I have this thesis on I don't own it because I'm an idiot. I have this thesis on the name where actually volatility attracts more activity amongst that age cohort. They have 30 million users, and the average age is 30. Those people are attracted to market crashes and high VIX and all types of price action in both directions. It's more like a gaming app than anything else when you think about it in a correction. So I think this stock is both defensive and offensive. I wish I owned it.
All right.